Hi friends, good morning. I am Shaurya Salunke.
Hi friends, I am Vivan Salunke.
This is our second time coming to Astro Party. It has been a great learning experience so far. Most of the times, for the first time you come here, you'll go and visit the area where they keep the telescopes, where the first thing you'll see is mostly the moon, depending on the phases of the moon. So they have these huge 12-inch reflecting telescopes, which will mostly give you the best view of the moon you'll ever see. Another great experience was viewing Saturn and with its rings and the sunspots on the sun. Now, the sunspots on the sun are a bit difficult to see, as you need the right equipment and the right filters to view it. So they have all the best equipment here with the best location beside a small stream, which is a very scenic location. Also, the food here is quite amazing. So I would definitely recommend you to come here. Thank you.